Start by making sure all items are accounted for. Flip the vehicle on its side, grab the steering bar, and remove the screw on each end. Next, reinstall the screws on the top and bottom. Make sure that the hole that the steering rod goes through is facing forward towards the front of the vehicle and the bend is up towards the top of the vehicle, as you can see in the video. Next, go back and tighten the screws by holding the nut with a pair of pliers and tightening with a Phillips screwdriver. Next, slide the steering rod in through the steering motor, up through the vehicle body, and the end of the loop through the hole in the steering assembly. Next, place the machine screw through the steering rod and motor, and install the backing nut, tighten with a Phillips screwdriver. Next, install the rear axle that simply slides through the motor and the vehicle body. Rotate the vehicle upside down to install the wheels. Start on the motor side with installing the 3 nylon washers. And followed by the wheel, make sure to grab the wheel that's labeled rear. Next, put on the wheel cover, followed by a metal washer. Then slide the metal cotter pin through and bend with pliers to hold the wheel in place. For the other rear wheel, slide the black plastic piece on, followed by 1 nylon washer. Next, slide the wheel on, then the hubcap, a metal washer, then once again the cotter pin, and bend to hold in place. On the front, just simply slide the wheel on. Same steps, wheel cover, metal washer, then cotter pin. Be sure to repeat this step on both sides. Rotate the vehicle upright. Install the steering wheel. Slide the machine screw through the steering wheel and steering rod assembly. Put the backing nut on and tighten with a Phillips screwdriver. Next, simply connect the red wire to the battery. This is the positive, and tuck the wires away. Snap on the gear shifter. Then install the batteries into the remote control. Then screw in the antenna and power up the remote control. Also power on the vehicle and test the remote control functions to make sure that the vehicle operates. Next, simply snap on the rear wing. Same with the front windshield, it just snaps in. Install the seat. It's held in by 4 screws on each corner, as you can see in the video. Sometimes the screws can be slightly tricky to install. Snap on the side mirrors. Then install the center hubcaps. Do this on all 4 wheels. Okay, now it's time to test the vehicle to make sure all the functions work correctly. Charge the vehicle overnight. Make sure the vehicle functions correctly before trying to charge. Thanks for watching.